Hey folks, Saurav Kesha this side, and today we bring the fourth episode of trading. So this will be the one of the smallest videos on trading because the concept which I'm talking about, the skills, the qualities today I will be talking about is very deep to understand and practice. You will only realize these things once you practice it in the market. Once you sit in the market, you have an experience of months in trading. There's a difference between a trader and a consistent profitable trader. A trader is someone who knows everything about the stock market he's trading. He knows the news. He has installed the money control app, Mint app. He follows the news. He follows the company's ratios, P ratio, PB ratio, EBITDA, PAT margin, everything he follows. But he is not consistent in making profits. The second one is a consistent profitable trader. He starts small, he is consistent in that. Because if you are consistent in your small things, it will gradually make you bigger and bigger. So the two qualities are self discipline and patience. Self discipline is very important to fix your stop loss and target. Once you are self disciplined, you will overcome greediness, you will overcome panic situations that actually happens in the market, and most of the losses are made in panic situations. The second thing I was talking about is patience. Patience is the most important key. 80% of the game in the stock market in is all about patience. You have to wait for your setup to happen in the market and then react to it. If you can't wait and you are impatient enough, you will blow up your capital very soon. And the second thing, you will not able to hold for the big profits because you are not patient enough. So make sure you have enough patience before entering in the stock market doing trading. The last thing I want to tell is awareness. There is a one famous quote. I exactly don't remember the quote, but it was from Bruce Lee, and he told that be formless, be shapeless, and that's very true for the stock market, for trading game. The reason is you should be uncertain. You should be very uncertain about the stock market. If you are certain enough, again you will lose your capital because stock market always gives surprises. Every day it gives surprises in every moment. So you have to be prepared for that. So the awareness is required. Awareness is very important. So three things to make money in the stock market, to do to learn trading, to do good in it, to become a consistent profitable trader is self discipline, patience, and awareness. Thank you. I hope you get it. Thank you.